Buckle up. It's been the law in cars for more than 50 years, but seatbelts are still not required in all school buses. As Les Trent asks, are your kids safe?
Kids are required to wear them in cars and on planes. So why not on most school buses? Watch as these Albuquerque middle schoolers get tossed around inside a school bus without seatbelts when a car crashed into it in 2022. You can hear their frightened screams. According to the most recent data, there were 81 fatal school bus collisions in 2021.
We need to get an ambulance out here right now. A school bus just flipped.
These two brothers were headed to their first day of school last August when police say a car drifted across the lane and crashed into their school bus. It had no seatbelts.
And the front of the bus was really wrecked. It was completely destroyed.
11-year-old Bryson got a severe concussion. His younger brother Rigel flew upwards, smashing against the ceiling.
I heard a and then I passed out. I'm guessing I either hit the top or the window.
Sadly, one of their classmates died.
There was just glass everywhere, blood, kids everywhere. The worst thing you could ever imagine as a mother.
It's a tragedy their mom, Brittany Fisher, believes seatbelts could have prevented.
That boy would still be alive today if there were seatbelts on buses.
Seatbelt safety expert Melissa Dobbs invited us to this special testing facility in Indianapolis to see for ourselves how violent bus crashes can get when kids aren't buckled up safely. Watch how this child mannequin gets tossed around when this bus slams into a wall at just 30 miles per hour.
The unbelted students didn't do nearly as well as the belted students did. You can see we have a couple kids actually completely out of the seats in the aisleway. I have a kiddo down here beside me that's trapped in between the seats. It absolutely is a nightmare.
Melissa says the biggest reason many states haven't adopted seatbelt legislation is because of the cost it would take to retrofit all buses. But after this 2018 accident in New Jersey, Governor Phil Murphy took action, signing into law a 3-point seatbelt requirement. Here at this elementary school in Englewood, New Jersey, teachers invited us aboard to show how every kid gets buckled up.
Can you buckle in? All right, pull it in. All right, good job.
Now, many moms like Brittany are advocating for safer school buses.
If your child is involved in an accident like this, and God forbid they lose their life, you're going to feel passionately about trying to implement some kind of change